Hi, in this video I want to show you how to install Telegram on PC. So, let's get started. Well, first we need to go to the browser and search Telegram. After that, click on Telegram Desktop. Because my computer uses Windows operating system, I will click on Get Telegram for Windows x64, because my computer uses Windows 64-bit. But if you are not sure if your computer is Windows 32-bit or 64-bit, you can click on Get Telegram for Windows. Then after we click, it will download the file exe automatically. After the download is complete, run it. Alright, now we need to select the language. I will select the English language and then click on the OK button. Well, now you can change the installation folder if you want to change, but if not, you can continue to click on the next button. Well, now you can choose to create a program shortcut on the Start menu, and it will also create a folder on the Start menu, but if you don't want to, you can click on the Don't Create a Start Menu folder. Then, click on the Next button. Well, in this section you can choose whether you want to create a shortcut on the desktop. If you do not want, you can click on the option Create a Desktop Shortcut and then click on the Next button. And then click on the Install button.
Wait for a while.
After the Telegram is installed, click on the Finish button. Now, we can use Telegrams as usual. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.